Hi students, for the standard 7 we are going to see page number 89 comprehension check students. These question answers. Okay, so these question answers we'll see now. See question number 1, comprehension check box. What did Nishad give Mr. Nath and why? Nishad gave a bar of chocolate to Mr. Nath because here Nath, right students, it's a wrong spelling mistake, because he thought that Mr. Nath was poor and starving. What is strange about Mr. Nath's Sundays? On every Sunday Mr. Nath was with a tall, fair, stout man wearing spectacles in his room who used to talk a lot, unlike Mr. Nath. Why did Nishad and Maya get a holiday? The monsoon broke and flooded the streets with a heavy downpour. Therefore, no traffic could move through the flooded roads. So, Nishad and Maya got an unexpected holiday. Next page, students. So, part 2 we are going to look. I wrote in large block letter students catching a what crook students. Expert detectives are mentioned, which are Nisha and Nishad and Maya Pandit by appointment to the whole world. So then I began writing. About half an hour later I turned towards Seven, who was lying on his tummy, chin cupped in his palms. Reading comic, want to hear what I have written? I asked her. By appointment means officially chosen what by someone important. So next page students, look now. He who looked up questioningly. I have listed all the facts we know about Mr. Nath which might help us to trap him. I said I want to hear. Seven nodded. Fact number one, I read. His name is Mr. Nath. We must discover his first name. Yes, his first name they don't know. Do you think he that is his real name, Maya? Nishadas? Probably not. I asked. Most crooks have an alias. I added. Alias means an alternate name, students. Alias means alternate name. I added a big questions after what mark after Nath. Fact number two, I read on the tenants at Shankar house says he is mad, strange, and unfriendly. Number three, he doesn't talk to anyone and he is mannerless. But he didn't talk to us, Maya and Mama. Says he is very polite. Nisha interrupted, disturbing. He only talked to us because he had to, I said, and once he was under Mama's medical treatment, he had to be polite. Fact number four, he doesn't receive any letter. Seven nodded. Number five, he has been what living in room 10 of Shankar house for more than a year. I continue. Number 6, he doesn't work and sits in his room all day. Number 7, the kids in Shankar house and even some of the grown ups are scared of him. Number 8, he has no visitor except for a spectacle fair fat man who visits him on Sundays for lunch. Number 9, food and tea are taken to his room by Ramesh from the restaurant downstairs. What he eats, pays bills immediately, and tips well. That's in my list. Have I forgotten anything? Seven. Nishad had obviously not been paying too much attention to my list of facts. All could say is, poor man, Maya. He must be so lonely if he doesn't have any friends. How can a crook have friend? Idiot! I almost shouted. Maya, who said? This one, Nishad. At least he has one friend, the one who meets him on Sundays, said Nishad. A brilliant thought occurred to me just then. That man just be Mr. Nath's accomplice means a helper in crime. In a crime, I said maybe he keeps all the loot and he comes now and then to give a part of it to his partner, Mr. Nath, for expenses. That's it. I am sure I am right. If you insist on calling him a criminal, I don't think I want to discuss anything with you, Maya, said Nishad. So Nishad is angrily talking with whom? Maya. He can't be such a bad man if he gives Ramesh such a generous tip. Ramesh probably knows something about his past. So Mr. Nath must be bribing him to keep quiet, I said. Nishad glared means to look at me with his arms tightly across his chest. I was beginning to get fed up with him. Nishad glared. Okay, how can we what make any progress with our investigations if you take that attitude? 7, I asked. I'll cooperate only if you give up this idea about him being a escaped crook, said 7. You really make me angry. I almost hit him, Maya says. Students, I make you angry, you stupid oaf, I shouted. You make me mad. What's the of all these inquiries? He is not crook. If you think he is a nobody, what's the idea of bothering about him? Please tell me. Richard looked not thoughtful. I would like to find out why he is so thin and why he is so lonely. I want to know why he doesn't have any friends and lives alone. Try to understand. 7, I told him. If he is lived in Shankar's house for a years and hasn't made a single friend, there is something wrong. He is obviously scared that someone will recognize him and give him up to the cop. Cop means police. Maybe no one tries to make friends within him. Nishad protested. Why should anyone bother? We have seen what a nasty bear he is, I said. I don't care, said Nishad stubbornly. I like him and I am going to try and be his friend. Friends with a crook? Yeah, you are crazy. 7, I said. The cops will take you to jail with prison students. Him. Do you want to happen? What will happen next, you idiot? Nishad merely glared at me and quietly walked out of the room. My theories seem to have made no impression on him at all. So in this way we have seen that these two detectives, this Maya and this what Nisha students, so Shraddha Dwivedi written from the broken few students. So in this way you are going to write some of the question answers which you have seen earlier, and this hard was 2 pages in your notebook, students.